we'll guide you through how to use the latest version of CapCut on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the CapCut official website. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials or create a new account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. To start a new project, go to the top left and click on the Create New Project button. This will open up the editing workspace. You can begin by importing your media files. Look for the Import button on the left-hand side of the screen. Click it and select the files you want to work with from your computer. Once your files are loaded, drag them down to the timeline at the bottom of the screen where you can arrange them. To trim a clip, click on it in the timeline and then drag the edges to the desired length. If you want to add transitions between clips, click on the Transitions tab at the top, choose your favorite transition style, and drag it between the clips in your timeline. For adding text, click on the Text tab, then select a text template or create your own by clicking Add Text. You can customize the font, size, and color using the options on the right. To add music or sound effects, go to the Audio tab, select a track, and drag it to the audio track on the timeline. Make sure to adjust the volume using the audio mixer to balance your sound levels. After editing, preview your video by clicking the play button above the timeline to make sure everything looks perfect. Once you're satisfied, click the Export button on the top right corner. Choose your export settings like resolution and format, then hit Export to save the video to your computer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.